Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is yet another Gogokid brand contributor video all about the new payment tab. I'll use any excuse to use my clapper. So come April, the payment tab is coming back. So let's break down a little bit of what that means. The payment tab used to be a part of the teacher platform, but when teachers went to two separate contracts back in the fall time, it went away and now it is coming back and I'm super excited about this. The payment tab will be broken down into three separate parts. You will have your detail, your payment records, and your PayPal settings. Underneath the Detail tab is where you will find your class earnings, your bonuses, and your adjustments. Now, something very important to note, that your class earnings will be updated 5 days after the class finishes. The reasoning behind the 5-day delay is because that will allow teachers up to 48 hours to appeal a finish type for a class, and that will also give Gogokid 72 hours to make sure that the class finish type is correct. Under the bonus section, you will see your bonuses for enrollment, referrals, and milestones. The milestone bonus will be available later on in April as they are still testing out that function. For other bonuses and non-class earning payments, that will be under the Adjustments tab. The Adjustments section will have any non-class related payments, any promotional payments, or any manual adjustments. The second tab that we are looking at is your payment records. Underneath this section, you will find the total amount owed from Gogokid. Please note that this tab will be updated 5 days, that's 120 hours after the class finishes. This section will also be where you will see your upcoming payment and payment status. You will also be able to see your previous payment records underneath this tab. And the third part of the payment tab is where you can link your PayPal account. Also important to note is that all payment information before April 1st will not be available on the payment tab since teachers were still under two different contracts. And the last thing to note about this is that the payment for March will be sent out as before, and you will get a breakdown of March's payment around April 15th. I think that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment if you have any questions that you would like answered in future videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!